Hi students, yesterday we have seen the factorization of algebraic expressions. Today we will see the factorization of difference of two perfect squares. Okay, so here we are going to use one formula. You remember this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So that we are going to use. See the first solution. Both must be perfect squares. You remember that point. 36 b square equal to 25a square. Can I write 5a whole square? 36b whole square, 6b whole square. Is that clear? 25a square can be written as 5a whole square, right? 36b square can be written as 6b whole square. Both are perfect squares. 5a into 5a, 25a square, 6b into 6b, 36b square. Okay, that equal to, it looks like a square minus b square, means a plus b into a minus b. Formula. Therefore 25a square minus 36b square equal to 5a plus 6b into 5a minus 6b. That is the solution. Okay, looks like a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Second one, 1 minus 4 into a minus 2b whole square. 1 is already perfect square. Do you agree? 1 square. This can be written as 2 of a minus 2b whole square, because 4 is a perfect square. 2 square we can write a minus 2b whole square, that is already perfect square. So it looks like a square minus b square. So a value 1 and b value 2 into a minus 2b. This is the formula. So I am going to write a plus b, a plus b, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus, I am removing the bracket here, 2a, 2 2s are 4b. Here 1 minus 2a, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4b. So what is the answer here? 1 minus 4 into a minus 2b whole square equal to 1 plus 2a minus 4b into 1 minus 2a plus 4b. So which formula we are going to use here? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. It looks like a square minus b square. A value 1, b value 2 into a minus 2b. So a plus b into a minus b. Simplify this. Okay. Third one we will see. Third solution, 9 into x plus y whole square minus 16 into x minus y whole square. 9 is a perfect square and 16 also a perfect square. So you can write 3 of x plus y whole square minus 4 of x minus y whole square. Right? Looks like a square minus b square. So what is the value of a here? 3 into x plus y. What is the value of b? 4 into x minus y. So this is the values. So I can write a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a plus b into a minus b. Okay. 3x plus 3y plus 4x minus 4y into 3x plus 3y minus 4x minus into minus plus 4. 3x plus 4x 7x minus y. Minus 3x minus 4x how much? Minus x. 4y plus 3y 7y. You should be able to add them. Okay. Addition of algebraic expressions. 7x minus y into minus x plus 7y, or 7y minus x also you can do. Fourth solution, 16 minus 9x square. How can I write 16 here? 4 square. 9x square means can I write 3x whole square? 3x whole square means 3x into 3x, 9x square. So it looks like a square minus b square, a value 4 and b value 3x. So how can I write 4 plus 3x into 4 minus 3x, right? Formula you can write there. Since under since step you can write formula. So 4 plus 3x into 4 minus 3x. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Fourth one is easy. Now fifth one. See the fifth one. (25) into 2x plus y whole square minus 16 into x minus y whole square. I can write 25 perfect square and 16 also perfect square. 25 means 5 into 2x plus y whole square, 4 into x minus y whole square. Okay, a square minus b square. So a value 5 into 2x plus y, b value 4 into x minus y. Okay, so a plus b, I can write a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Is that clear? Step a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. You just write a value plus b value, a value minus b value. Now simplify. 5 2s are 10x plus 5y plus 4x minus 4y. Here 5 2s are 10x plus 5y minus 4x, minus into minus plus 4y. So 10x plus 4x 14x, 5y minus y, y. 5 minus 4 means 1 plus y, right? So 10x minus 4x 6x, 5y plus 4y 9y. So therefore 25 into 2x plus y whole square 16 into x minus y whole square equal to 14x plus y into 6x plus 9. Sixth solution. 49 into x minus y whole square minus 9 into same model, no? Because 49 is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. 7 into x minus y whole square, 3 into 2x plus y whole square. Right? Looks like a square minus b square. So a value 7 into x minus y, b value 3 into 2x plus y. So I can write a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So simplify this. 7x minus 7y, 3 2s are 6x plus 3y. 7x minus 7y minus 6x minus 3y. 7x plus 6x 13x minus 4y. 7x minus 6x 1x, 7y 3y 10y. Therefore 49 into x minus y whole square, 9 into 2x plus y whole square equal to 13x minus 4y into x minus 10y. That is the end of solution. Okay? Sixth one is over. Now 7th and 8th. Seventh one. What is seventh one? 5a minus 3b whole square minus 16b square. This I can write 5a minus 3b whole square. 16b square, how do we express? 4b whole square. Looks like a square minus b square, where a equal to 5 minus 3b, b value and 4b. Okay? So a square minus b square. So a plus b. 5a minus 3b plus 4b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Where a value 5a minus 3b and b value 4b. Okay? 5a, 4b minus 3b, 1b. Here 5a, both are negative. Negative means we have to add and write same symbol. So minus 3a minus 4b minus 7b. Therefore 5a minus 3b whole square minus 16b square equal to 5a plus b into 5a minus 7b. Okay? Last one we will see. 5a minus 2b whole square minus of 2a minus b whole square. It looks like direct form, right? A value 5a minus 2b, both are perfect squares directly. 2a minus b. So I can write a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So how can we write this? A plus 2a minus b into 5a minus 2b minus 2a plus b. If there is negative symbol before the bracket, what should you do? You have to change the symbols inside. Minus 2a, minus into minus, plus b. 5a plus 2a, 7a. 2b and 1b minus 3b. Both are negative. Negative means we have to add and write same symbol. 5a minus 2a, 3a. Minus 2b plus 1b minus b. Therefore, 5a minus 2b whole square 2a minus b whole square equal to 7a minus 3b into 3a minus b. That's all the solution. Okay? Let us see one more method in the next class. Thank you.